Hey quiz lover, welcome back to Quiz Image. Can you name 120 animals within just 3 seconds? From easy to impossible, give it your best shot. Before starting, please subscribe to the Quiz Image channel for more exciting quizzes. Let's go. Guess the animal? It's a dog. Next, you've got this? It's a cat. Next animal? It's a cow. Next, you've got this? It's an elephant. Next animal? It's a horse. Next? It's a sheep. Next? It's a pig. It's a chicken. Guess the animal? It's a goat. It's a rabbit. It's a lion. Next animal? It's a tiger. You are right, it's a bear. Next one? It's a fox. Next animal? It's a deer. It's a zebra. Guess the animal? It's a giraffe. It's a panda. Guess the animal? It's a kangaroo. It's a penguin. Next animal? It's a dolphin. It's a monkey. You are right, it's a frog. It's an owl. Next animal? It's a duck. Next? It's a bee. Next, you got this? It's a butterfly. Next animal? It's a fish. Next? It's a mouse. It's a snake. Next, you've got this? It's a crocodile. Next animal? It's a koala. Next, you've got this? It's a raccoon. Next animal? It's a flamingo. Next one? You are right, it's a peacock. Next animal? It's a hedgehog. Next animal? It's an otter. Next one? It's a llama. Next animal? It's an alpaca. Next animal? It's a sloth. Next animal? It's an armadillo. Guess the animal?
It's a porcupine.
Next animal? It's a chimpanzee. Next animal? It's a lemur. Next? It's a meerkat. Next one? It's a walrus. Next? It's a seal. Next? It's a hippo. Next? It's a rhino. Guess the animal? It's a gorilla. Next? It's a cheetah. Next? It's a hyena. Next? It's a parrot. Next? It's an eagle. Guess the animal? It's a sparrow. Next? It's a tortoise. Next? It's a iguana. Next? It's a starfish. Next? It's a jellyfish. Guess the animal? It's an octopus. Next? It's a narwhal. Next? It's a aardvark. Next? It's a bison. Next? It's a buffalo. Next, you've got this? It's a lynx. Next, you've got this? It's a gazelle. Next one? It's an antelope. Next, you've got this? It's an ocelot. Next? It's a caracal. Guess the animal? It's a weasel. Next? It's a platypus. Next? It's a echidna. Next? It's a manatee. Next animal? It's a dugong. Next animal? It's a vulture. Next animal? It's a condor. Next animal? It's an albatross. Next one? It's a cassowary. Next animal? It's a kookaburra. Next animal? It's a wombat. Next one? It's a Tasmanian devil. Next animal? It's a quokka. Guess the animal? It's a pangolin. Next animal. It's a eye. Next one. It's a tapir. Next animal. It's okapi. Guess the animal. It's a binturong. Next animal. It's a capybara. Next animal. It's an axolotl. Next challenging. It's a fossa. Next animal impossible. It's a saola. Next. It's a quagga. Next. It's a dhole. Next. It's a onager. Next. It's a zebu. Next animal. It's a vaquita. Next one. It's a kakapo. Next animal. It's a kiwi. Guess the animal. It's a tarsier. Next animal. It's a coati. Next animal. It's a shoebill. Next one. It's a sun bear. Next animal. It's a civet. Guess the animal. It's a margay. Next animal. It's a pika. Next animal. It's a pronghorn. Guess the animal. It's a kudu. Next animal. It's a nyala. Next animal. It's a harpy eagle. Next animal. It's a serval. Next animal. It's a gerenuk. Next animal. It's a marker. Guess the animal. It's a Galapagos penguin. Next, you've got this. It's a sifaka. Next. It's a takin. Next. It's a dugong. Next, you've got this. It's a rhea. Next. It's a xenophus. Next. It's a zorilla. Next, you've got this. It's a dugite.